Hello everybody. Today we're going to look at how to pre-process a text which we are going to align in STL Trados Studio 2015. For today's video, I've selected a text that is written in French, but the text also contains an abstract in English and what is called un résumé in French. So if I were to scroll down and look through the text, you can see that there's an initial abstract in French, followed by an abstract in English, and then the entire article is in French. What interests us today, because we're going to do an alignment of two texts, one in French and one in English, is very simply the French abstract and the English abstract further down here. We're going to take the title text, and we're also going to take the keyword text. So in order to pre-process our files, we just simply need to find a file that we can copy and paste from on the internet, and we also need Microsoft Word to create the file. Okay, so we'll start with the French part of the text, and I'm just going to highlight the title, and then I'm going to press down on the Control key and continue to highlight the parts that I need, so that the part I just highlighted are the names of the two authors of the article. And then I'll just pull the text down here, keeping my index finger of my left hand on the Control key, and I will just copy the French abstract, and I'll scroll all the way down and get the French mots-clés or keywords. So I have all of those areas highlighted, and all I need to do is right click and select copy. Then I go to Microsoft Word, and I'm going to paste this text into Microsoft Word, but I want you to look at the different choices that you have when you right click to paste. We have the paste options. We can paste as text only, and you can see that when you paste as text only, it gets rid of all of the extra formatting that might have been present from the fact that you took this from a PDF file on the web or an HTML file. You have the merge formatting options, which looks a little bit different, and then you have the source formatting option. So if you look at the source formatting option, you can see that there is a lot of different there's a different font sizes, and there's some other formatting such as bullet points. And so I'm going to go for the option of keeping the text only. Now this looks like a nice clean text, but there's just a few more things I want to do to it. One is to get rid of these paragraph marks that don't have to be there. So I'll go through and get rid of them. And I just want to get rid of these space bar marks down here as well. Okay, and that's how I'm going to create my French language file that I will be importing into STL Trados Studio 2015 in order to align it with the English file. So I'm going to put it somewhere. I'm going to put it on my desktop, and I'm going to put it in a file called Exercise Health, and I'm going to call it, I'm going to start with the language of the text, which is French, so I always mark my file names by the language of the file. That's just a habit I have. And then I'll just write something about the content, exercise and health, and that's my French text. Now I go back to my my article on the web, and I'll do the same thing to get the English language portion of the text. So I'm highlighting the title, I put my finger on the Control key, and I also get the names of the authors. I scroll down, I get the abstract, and I scroll down just a little more, and I get the keywords. And then I right click and I copy. I'm going to open up another Microsoft Word blank document. I'm going to go over here and I'm going to select Keep Text Only, and I'll go back, get rid of some of those paragraph returns which I don't need in my file, and then I'll get rid of some of those spaces as well. Finally, I save it, giving it a name that indicates for me what the language is as well as the content. So I'll just write English exercise underscore health and save. So now I have two texts that are ready for alignment. We will be aligning the French portion of this article, the résumé, and we will be aligning it with the English abstract in the next video. So in this video we learned how to pre-process a file for alignment and create two Word documents that we can use to align two texts. Okay, thank you for your attention, and I look forward to hearing back from you.